Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Transit key battery. Keeping your key fob in top working order is simple and ensures you always have reliable access to your vehicle. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to do. You'll only need a few basic items, like a fresh CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver, to get started. First, let's get inside your key fob. Look for a small button on the side or front of the fob. Press it to release the hidden emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, you'll see a small notch or seam. Carefully insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Now that your key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. It's usually a round, coin cell battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully lift it out of its holder. Be mindful of its orientation. Take your new CR2032 battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign or writing, is facing upwards. Press it gently to secure it in place. With the new battery in, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob case. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Ford Transit to confirm it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.